Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Kamal from Kamachalka Photography. I'm a photographer based in India, Chennai. I have a treat for you. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Leica SL2. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing and hope you can share the joy of opening the SL2 along with me. Come on. Here we have the box. It simply says SL on it, even though it's the SL2 that's inside. Opening the box, just a few papers here, including a couple of stickers. We have the quick start guide and the 3-month trial subscription to Adobe Cloud Services. There's the warranty card, very important, you need to keep it safely. Getting into the main compartment of the box. Just a few items inside. I can see the camera body, a pouch, probably the charger. Yeah. Here is the strap, Leica branded strap. It's a nice cushion strap, nothing extraordinary, but it's a fairly decent strap. And then the cable for the charger, the power cable. And the charger itself comes in a nice Leica pouch like we're used to. One battery that comes along, the same battery that was there for the SL. It's a very decent sized battery, but given these modern mirrorless cameras with their EVFs and especially if you're shooting video, the batteries do tend to run out quickly, so you make sure to have a spare battery. So I already ordered a spare battery. The camera also has inbuilt USB charging, so you can actually charge the battery while you're not using it using a USB-C charging port. Now, coming to the main feature of the day, which is the actual SL body. Straight away, when you hold it in your hand for the first time, you can make out the quality of the camera, the build. It feels like one solid block of metal. There's a nice black matte finish. And Leica has redesigned the Leica SL2. It has to have 3 buttons on the left of the screen, as compared to the old 4-button layout of the SL and the Leica S. There are a few customizable buttons as well, but we'll get into that in another video. This is just an unboxing. The top plate has just one rotary dial, and there are totally 3 dials, one in the front. No, actually there's just 2 dials. There are the one main rotary dial on the top plate, and there's one near the thumb rest, and then there's the shutter button. But there are 1, 2, 3 other customizable function buttons, and the joystick also is a button that can be customized. So when start up, it comes as a nice animation ending with the Leica SL2 name, and then you start the setting up the camera and customizing it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing of the SL2. I'm able to share my joy and say in the box. So finally have the SL2 in my hand with the 24-105 lumix S lens. I'll be putting this camera with spaces for the last week or so, and also getting familiar with the camera, the new system, and I'm also trying to figure out how best to customize the camera to suit my way of shooting, because there are a lot of customization options in this camera. So I'm still figuring all that out. When we're shooting a wide variety of subjects, and also lined up a couple of portrait shoots in the following week. My next video, I think I should be able to share with you a few images from my first impressions of using the SL2 in real life. So thank you for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great week.